Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your WhatsApp status from a specific person or a specific group of person. So yeah, let's start the video. So in order to hide your status from some persons, so what you need to do, first go to your settings here, and from here just swipe down and go to privacy. And after you come to privacy, you will be thrown to this screen. From here you just need to tap the status, and as you can see, my status is currently on my contacts. It means everyone on my contact will be able to see my status. However, I don't want everyone to see my contact. I just want my contact except 4 person which I don't want them to see my status. So what should I do? Just tap here once and just select the person you don't want to show the status from your contacts, then just do done. So now what it will do, it's like if you share a status on your WhatsApp, everyone on your contacts will able to see the status except the 4 person. So that's how you do it. And also this only share with button, it's so it will, so what it will do is if you tap here and just select 2 person, so what it will do, that only these 2 contacts will be able to see your status and the rest won't be able to see. So yeah, you can figure it out according to your needs. And if this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe.